phone still ringing. Red Creek, may I help you? Okay. Okay. Are you bringing it up tonight? Okay. We can look up your name when you get here. No, wait, I'm sorry, repeat that? Okay. Yeah, GPS will be about, from 4:22, probably about 40 minutes, 45 maybe. Okay, when you get on 183, oh, you know how to get here? Okay. No problem. Thanks. Okay, bye. We have some chipping sparrows on the way. Anybody else? Are you still hungry? Oh, gotta get a poop shot.
That's the second poop shot.
Get your foot in the nest. Got a little water so they can swallow. Hear these guys are chipping sparrows. You can hear the difference in the sound that they're making. And then these over here are bluebirds, and they're gentlemen, so they're just not as aggressive. And then these little mounds. These guys are a bottomless pit. Grackles above are protesting. Okay, that's these guys.
And that would be the peanut gallery.
Yes, these are the grackles.